Hi there guys, and thanks for joining me today. Now, we're going for a very quick breakfast option, but it can also be a dessert stroke naughty treat. Anyway, let's get on with it and we'll have a look. So what do you think? Easy to make, amazing taste. You've got the yogurt and the sweetness of the honey, but the healthiness of the fruit, and the alpen just gives another texture. So nice. Either as a dessert after a meal, or just a naughty treat before bed. This is a must. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.